HOBBYTIGER H301S Ranger drone with camera, live video and GPS return home for kids, beginners, and adults. By the end of 2019, that number is expected to soar well over $1 billion. That's a lot of drones hitting the skies in the coming year. So, what is with the drone craze? Although most buyers of drones use them mainly for photography or videography purposes, some people have gotten creative with the use of their drones. Are you a real estate agent looking for an outstanding way to showcase your properties? Use a drone to capture aerial stills and video of the homes you are listing. A great way to catch potential buyers' attention. Are you a farmer? If so, then you may want to consider getting a drone to help you monitor your farm and help you get important data about your crops. Do you run a photography business? Add a drone to your camera arsenal that'll give you an edge over your competitors when potential clients in your area are looking for a photographer. With a drone you can capture photos and videos from angles that other drone-less photographers simply will never be able to reach. Maybe you'll want to get a drone simply because it is the hot new technology. It's like owning a computer in the late 80s early 90s, except that consumer drones now are much more useful than consumer computers were during that time period. Whatever the reason, HOBBYTIGER H301S Ranger drone with camera, live video and GPS return home is one of the most popular models today. With GPS-assisted flight and automatic return home, this drone provides you with accurate positioning details of your drones. It features a built-in return-to-home function for safer flight, since the drone will automatically return home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak. When flying out of range, never worry about losing the drone. Comes with an optimized adjustable 720p HD Wi-Fi camera that captures. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.